The story started when Baldo saw his brother Leon and his wife at the edge of Nagrepkan, La Union. Casalin drove them with a kalesa from the terminal.
Bar Baldo. This must be the labang. I've heard so much.
You may scratch his forehead now. Maria hesitantly touched Labang's head, and he scratched it daintily. Leon faced Casalin, and Baldo heard his brother called Maria by her name.
Maria!
For Baldo, the name Maria will also be how they will call her, not Maring. But Baldo is quite confused about how Maria answered Leon by the name Noel. Suddenly, Labang made a sound that made Maria made.
There's no other like that. It's the only bull who does that sound. If you continue to talk about him like that, either I should fall in love with him or become greatly jealous.
On their journey, Leon was wondering why Baldo bring them to the Waig instead of the Camino Real. It was Sang Manong. He told me to drive to the Waig instead of the Camino Real. The Waig route served as test for Maria. If she can live in the province, or differ a lot from the city she lives in. But it seems like Maria likes Leon's province. Look, there's our stars, Noel. I have been looking at it. Do you remember how I could tell you? If you want to see stars, you must come to Nagrepkan. When it was already dark, Baldo lighted the lamp and suddenly Leon sang a song. Soon we will get out of the Waig. After the fields is Sarahuman. Then the Camino Real curves around, and I asked Father why we drove in the Waig.
Noel, do you think you like...
Does that worry you, Maria? Don't worry, Father is the most gentlest man I know. While continuing their journey, Marie is worried if Leon's father and family could like her. When they got home, Mother is standing in the doorway smiling shyly.
Where is Tatang Nanang?
He is upstairs. His leg is bothering him again. Father is in his room smoking his tobacco in the window. He talked to Baldo asking what happened during their travel.
Did you meet anybody on the way?
No, Father, no one passes at the Waig at night. She is very beautiful, Father.
Was she afraid of Labang?
No, Father, she was not afraid. And Manong Leon sang. Sky zone in the sky, Father, she sang with him, Father.
Father is silent again. Baldo could hear low voices of Mother and her sister Aurelia downstairs. While Father and Baldo were in a dark and smoky room, the door opened and Leon and Maria came in the room. So Father suddenly changed the topic and told him to let Labang drink milk.